crypto markets are known for wild price swings. But hidden in all that volatility are digital dollars called stablecoins that barely move. What are they? Why do they matter? And how can they play a smart role in your crypto strategy? Let's break it down. Stablecoins are digital assets designed to hold a steady value, usually pegged to traditional currencies like the US dollar. One token equals about $1. They offer the benefits of crypto like fast transactions and global access without the extreme price swings of coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Think of them as the cash of the crypto world. There are a few types of stablecoins, but the most popular are fiat-backed stablecoins, like USDT, also known as Tether, and USDC, also known as USD Coin. These are backed by actual dollars or assets held in reserve by their issuers. Others include crypto-collateralized stablecoins, like DAI, and algorithmic stablecoins, which are riskier and less common today. For most people, USDT and USDC are the go-to options. So, why are stablecoins useful to crypto investors? Here are a few reasons. Number 1, you can protect profits by converting volatile assets into a stable value. Number 2, you can trade faster, since most coins are paired with USDT or USDC on exchanges. Number 3, you can send money globally in minutes, no bank delays, no business hours. And number 4, in many platforms, you can even earn yield on your stablecoin holdings. In short, they help you stay flexible without exiting the crypto market. Stablecoins aren't risk-free. Here are some reasons why. Number 1, since they're often centralized, you're relying on the issuer to actually hold the reserves they promise. Number 2, they're also under growing regulatory attention worldwide. And number 3, in rare cases, some stablecoins have lost their peg, like the infamous UST collapse in 2022. That's why it's important to stick to the well-established ones like USDT and USDC, and keep an eye on transparency reports. So, how can you use stablecoins wisely? Here's how. Number 1, keep some USDC on hand so you can jump on buying opportunities without moving money from your bank. Number 2, use USDT to move funds between exchanges quickly. And number 3, if you're a freelancer or business owner, you can even accept stablecoins as payment. It's fast and borderless. They're simple, flexible, and often underrated tools in a smart crypto toolkit. And that's it. Want to dive deeper into crypto with beginner-friendly tools and tips? Visit www.coinmama.com to learn more. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto explainers.